Welcome. In this video I will show you how to adjust brightness on your DELL Latitude 7410 laptop. First option to do that is by opening the control center by clicking these three icons on your taskbar. Then you can adjust your brightness by moving this slider to the left to decrease the level of the brightness or to the right to increase it. Alternatively, you can use shortcuts or function keys. Basically, the F7 button will increase the brightness on your PC and F6 will decrease it. But if these buttons don't work by themselves, you can either use them with the FN button. So hold down the FN button and press one of these two keys, and they will serve the same purpose. Or you can simply switch your function keys mode by pressing FN and escape buttons simultaneously, and then you'll be able to use these buttons by themselves. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.